Welcome back, and I hope you're all doing well. I'm doing well, and it's a new start to the week, and we are back for circle meeting. So, just like before, we're going to start off with the months. So if you go to your voice and you go to your months little flip chart, and that's where we're going to start. Remember, parents, that we can pause this video at any time so you can have your kids catch up to where we're flipping to in their voice, just like we've been doing before. So we're going to go ahead and get started, and we're going to start with what month we're in. And so I want you to look onto your voice and find the month we're in. I want you to point to it and show your parents what month we are in. And if you look here, I'm trying to get the glare off for you guys, we are in the month of April right now, and our little sign has a little fox with a umbrella there, because sometimes there's showers in April and the rain comes down and gets us. So we are in the month of April. Good job, guys. And now what we want to do is I'm going to kind of move out of the screen here so we can get to the calendar. As we want you to turn your voice to the numbers page, and the number page is for the calendar, and it's 1 through 30, or 1 through 31, and I believe it's the last one in your voice, so if you want to stop and get there, that'd be great. But we're going to start adding a day, and so I want us to think about what day it is today, and we're going to look at the number. So what is today's date? And the date means number, and so I'm going to come forward like I did before, and we're going to start, and yesterday was the 26th. So if you go to your number page, we want to know what today is. So if yesterday was the 26th, we want to jump forward a day, and you're right, that would be 27. So today is the 27th, and what we're going to do now is on the same page, we're going to count the days of the month, starting with 1 all the way to 27. So we're going to start with 1, and we're going to start now. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, and 27. So it is the 27th day of April. Now from here, what we're going to do is we're going to go into your voice, and we want you to turn to the page that has the days of the week. So that's going to be Sunday through Saturday. So you're going to want to turn there. And what we're going to do is we're going to go to 27 on our calendar here, and we're going to climb all the way up to the top. And that's going to tell us what day it is. And today is Monday. So if you pointed to Monday, go ahead and give yourself a pat on the back. Give yourself a high five, a fist bump, something you want to do to congratulate yourself. So today is Monday. Now what we're going to do is we can stay on the days of the week, and we're going to look at this little calendar here, and this is our today, tomorrow, and yesterday. And what I'm going to do to start us off is put today down. So today is, and what did we say? Today was Monday. And so today I'm going to start with, let's figure out what yesterday was. So we said today is Monday. So what was yesterday? We're going to jump back a day on our calendar, and we're going to look there. What is that day? That day is Sunday, you're right. So yesterday was Sunday. So I'm going to take our card. It says yesterday. We're going to place yesterday on Sunday. All right. So let's get our thinking caps on. And let's ask ourselves, if yesterday was Sunday and today is Monday, what will tomorrow be? Let's think, what will tomorrow be? So if we're gonna go forward a day, it means we gotta jump a day. So today's Monday, we're gonna jump forward a day, and it's gonna show us that tomorrow will be Tuesday. So tomorrow is Tuesday. So we're gonna take our tomorrow will be, and we're gonna place him right there on Tuesday. So yesterday was Sunday, today is Monday, and tomorrow will be Tuesday. Good job, guys. So we've got through our calendar and the days of the week. And we're gonna put our tools up. Now I'm gonna think of a number from 1 to 10, and we're just gonna pick one to put on our board here. And so where we're gonna go now is we're gonna go back into our voice, and we're gonna find the numbers page that is 1 through 10, and on the top it has the 10 frame icon. So what I want you guys to do is look here and point to what this is, this black square here. And what do we call that? We call this a 10 frame. And why do we call it a 10 frame? Well, let's think. It's called a 10 frame because there's 10 empty squares. And let's count those empty squares together. We're gonna start with 1. Ready, begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So if you said that a 10 frame has 10 empty squares, go ahead and pat yourself on the back again. Give yourself an air high five to everyone. And now, I'm gonna randomly pick a number here, and we're gonna add 2 circles to our 10 frame. So I picked out a number, and let's put them in. Let's count them together. Ready? 1 and 2. 2. Now I want you to think, how many more is it gonna take to fill up our 10 frame? So we're thinking, how many more? I'm gonna give you a second to think about that. Think you got it? Keep that number in your head, and we're gonna see if you're right. So here we're gonna go, we're gonna fill it in. And while I'm filling it in, you're gonna count with me, and we're gonna start with 1 like we always do. You ready? Begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, I gotta grab one more, and 8. 8. So it took 8 more to fill up our 10 frame. So our equation that we just built is 2 plus 8 equals 10. Good job, guys. All right. While I get myself situated, we're now going to turn our voice to the other number page, which is 10 through 10 through 100 on the top. And we're gonna start looking about how many days we've been in school. All right, so here we go. I'm gonna take our calendar down, get him out of the way here. And I'm gonna set up our days that we've been in school calendar. I've got to empty it first for us. Put it in there. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to add a day to our ones cube strip. So I'm going to take 1 and we're going to add them there. And we're going to count these starting with 1. Ready? 1, 2. Good job, guys. 2. So we've been in school for 2 days. So we're going to put our ones in our column. Uh-oh, we said it was 152 now, so we got to swap out our 1 and put a 2 in there. So let me look through our bin here and find the number 2 for us. He's hidden pretty well today. There he is. 152. So now we got to match our sheet to our calendar. So our sheet says we need 5 tens. So let's count our 5 tens out together. We're going to start down. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we have our 2 ones. We have our 5 tens. And now we need 1 100s flat. So we're going to take our 1 100 flat and we're going to put them in there. So now that we have matched our calendar and our sheet to our days of this week, we're going to count. And I want you to keep 100 in your head. We're going to keep it 100 in our head, remember. We'll put that in a slot. I'm going to pull out our tens and we're going to count them now. It's sliding down. So keeping the 100 in our head, we're going to go 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 151, 152. So we have been in school for 152 days. I want to thank you guys for joining me again, and let's have a great week ahead of us, and I will see you next time. Bye now.